Holy crap. So the wind has been nuts here for like, I'm gonna switch screens, I think. Like it's scale, like it's insane. First of all, you can, well, that doesn't do it justice. Well, over there it does. If I zoom in, can I zoom in? I can. Listen though. Look at this. Look at the, like it doesn't, the camera doesn't do it justice. It's like whiter than that. Like it's, you can't hear it, but look over here. It was just blowing through there. Of course, my camera is not picking it up. I don't know if you could hear that, but it was literally whistling. Like, wow.